Hello, you guys. I am back with another DIY. This is so simple, so easy to make. So let's get into it. So you're going to need 3 frames of your choice, okay? 3 prints of your choice, as well as 3 different type of quotes or whatever you may want on your frame of your choice. I got these from the Dollar Tree. You can also use a silhouette machine. I was going to use mine, but I decided to go the easier route. Then you'll need some scissors, a paper trimmer. If you don't have one, you can use the scissors. So first, what I'm going to do, this is a gift bag. Now these gift bags I got from Michael's, and I said, you know what, I wanted to use that print. So instead of printing it off, going on the computer, printing it off, I said, let me just use these because they're already so vibrant and like just everything I need for a print for this frame. So I'm just cutting it open to where I can have it flat as if I was to use a piece of paper. So just cut it open. As you see, I'm kind of making sure I neatly cut it open so it neatly goes in the frame. So that's all I'm doing, just cutting all 3 gift bags open to where they are laying flat. And you just repeat the same process with the other 2. And then keep in mind, you can use whatever print, whatever color scheme you are going for, especially if you wanted to match your home, your room, whatever, just go with whatever you decide you want to use. You can also use fabric too. So just keep the options endless. So now that I have all 3 cut out, and it's laying flat how I need them to, I then go ahead and grab my frames, and I'm going to go ahead and take the back off so that way I can lay those gift bag papers inside. And once you take all the the stuff in the frame, which is just the back piece and a piece of paper, and then the border, depending on what kind of frame you get, you want to take all that out, lay your paper in. Now if you're just using a piece of paper, you ain't got to do all this cutting and all that, but for my case I had to get my paper trimmer involved because I wanted to precisely cut it to the right measurements. So I just went ahead and got my paper trimmer and put all 3 and cut them so that way they're evenly in the frame. Then once you got all 3 of these cut, measured correctly, then boom, it is one step closer to almost finishing these beautiful DIY decor frames. Okay, then I will go ahead and put the gift bag papers into the frame, as well as the piece of paper that it came with, and then the back part. This I'm leaving the piece of paper just to help with, to give it some weight, because keep in mind these frames are kind of thin, but they're workable. Okay, they're workable. So then this is how it will look. Isn't that a beauty? Like, you could just really just put that on the wall by itself. So let's proceed to the next frame. This frame, I don't know how, but look, see this little piece, I thought I didn't buy it like that, but somehow I don't know if it slipped down or something, but it's okay. We ain't worried about that. Okay, we can work with that. So yeah, just proceed to do the same steps. And yeah, that's basically it. Isn't this so simple? I'm telling you, simple. Okay, I love a good simple DIY. Like this video up if you love a good simple DIY as well. Okay, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this video as well. Thank you. Okay, so now that our frames are all put together how we like them, how we need them to be, let's get to the fun part of putting the sticker decals, sticker quotes onto the frame. So as you see, when you do DIYs, you might have trial and error. You might have things where you don't like in a certain place. And this is one of those cases. I put it in black and white because I want you to see the change I kind of made with the frame. Yeah, and I end up switching it around because being that these are like a calligraphy type of writing, they do tend to be bigger. So, I switched it around just for the sake of having it fit better on the frame. So end up taking the stickers off the frame. They're easy. I'm talking about super easy to take off and putting it straight going down the frame. And I loved it so much better. Once I have all my stickers down in the frame to my liking, I then go ahead and proceed to do the next one, and then the last one, and then you're done. I mean, you can do however many you want, but look at this, wild and free, so super cute. And I loved how I brought in the gold with the gold frame, just super cute. So you can do whatever kind of frame you want, whatever kind of letters you want. I mean, have fun with it. Especially if you're trying to go for a color scheme, you know what I mean? Just have fun with it. And I guarantee it will be such a cute decor in your house, in your room, bathroom, wherever you may want to have it. So now as we get to the last frame, which I loved even more because what woman is not a girl boss? Come on now. And I guarantee, like I said, these will be such fabulous pieces in your home. And you'll have people come over and be like, where'd you get those? And you have the privilege to say, I made them. Yep. So, I really hope you enjoy this DIY. I hope you try it for yourself, okay? Try it for yourself. Give it a try. See how you like it. I mean, they're fun to make. You know what I mean? You can make these kid-friendly. You can buy some cute little decal stickers or whatever. Find you a cute print. Put it in a kid's room and bam. Super cute, right? So there you have it. The frames are already done. You got your cute Let Your Dreams Take Flight. You got your Wild and Free. And you got your Girl Boss frame. And when I tell you I'm in love with the gold, the black, the print that I wanted to use in the background. So cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad you tuned in. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. And try this DIY for yourself and let me know how you like it. Again, thank you for watching. Y'all stay safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.